Hey everyone, and welcome back to Land and Sea DIY. I'm going to give you a quick update on the monster hedge trim we did. They're growing back nicely. I'm going to show you that right now. See how nicely they're growing back. Certain times of the day, even the dirt here is getting some sun, which is hopefully going to allow some of that grass to grow back. But the hedges are looking great. Or the hedge. This was our monster hedge. There it is. Look at that. Looking real good. Even the back there is coming in nicely. So as you can see, we tamed the monster hedge and we're giving it a really hard cut. And despite that, it's actually growing very well. It's given it a lot of new life. And it just goes to show that you can cut these hedges quite a bit. We went from probably 12, 13 feet down at least half. So it's probably more than half. It's about 4 foot tall now, more or less. So, but they're thriving again. Most of them. Some are still struggling back in the back where it got very little sun. And even the grass is growing in where it's now getting sun, whereas before the hedge was so tall it wasn't allowing the sun to come through. So that's a quick update on the hedges, and we will see you again soon.